How to add background music in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the edit page where your timeline is located. Make sure your video clip is already added to the timeline. Next, find your background music file on your computer. Drag and drop it directly into the media pool section in DaVinci Resolve. Once it's there, you will be able to use it in your timeline. Now, drag the audio file from the media pool onto an empty audio track below your video in the timeline. If there's no empty track, you can right-click in the audio section and select Add Track to create one. After placing the music on the timeline, adjust its position to sync with your video. You can trim the beginning or end of the audio by clicking and dragging the edges of the audio clip. To control the volume of the music, click on the audio clip, then go to the Inspector panel. Under Volume, you can lower the level so it doesn't overpower your voice or main audio. If you want the music to fade in or out, hover over the start or end of the audio clip until you see a white handle. Drag that handle inward to create a smooth fade effect. Finally, once you are happy with everything, go to the Deliver page, choose your export setting and render your project. And that's it. Now you know how to add background music in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.